I'm officially a DJI Osmo Pocket girly. Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, I'm officially a DJI Osmo Pocket girly. My boyfriend got me the creator combo for my Christmas gift, so let's unbox it together. First things first, let me just tell you guys, this camera is like holding a newborn baby. It's very fragile and it gives me anxiety. But aside from that, this camera is amazing and so far I'm in love. So back to what exactly comes inside your creator combo. As you've seen, it comes with a protective case that does not come inside the carry bag. And obviously the carry bag that has your camera and all its accessories. Then you have your DJI Mic 2 transmitter that comes with a windscreen as well as a wrist strap that makes carrying the camera easier. The mic does have a built-in clip, but just in case you're looking for something more discreet, it does include this clip magnet as well. You'll also get a USB charging cable that you can use for both your camera and your mic. This is your wide angle lens that you can attach to expand your field of view, and I love its personal storage space in the protective cover. And the moment we've all been waiting for, this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, the camera we've all been seeing everywhere lately. First impression, it feels solid but super lightweight, which is a win for everybody. I loved how compact and perfect it is, but if you have bigger hands or if this is a con for you, don't worry, because it comes with 2 extra handles. The smaller one is just a regular handle for a little bit of extension, while the bigger one is your battery handle, which obviously charges the camera while attached. So it's like a portable charger but for your camera. And don't you just love the functionality of these accessories? It gives you extension, comfort, charging. They attach to the camera using the USB-C ports, and then it also has extra ports so you could actually still charge the camera while the handles are attached. You'll also get a mini tripod. I'm not sure how I feel about this yet. Maybe because I'm used to tripods that actually extend. I kind of just feel like in relation to that, this one is pretty useless. But in terms of actually adding extension to the camera itself, then yeah, sure. And yes, both handles do have tripod holes at the bottom. The size of this camera still blows my mind. You can literally put it wherever you usually put your phone. And I know we all love the flip screen feature, but I didn't do it for this video. I'm obviously fairly new to using the camera, so I didn't want to try that because I saw a video that says not to practice using the flip screen. But so far, in terms of playing around with this camera, I honestly love the quality of the pictures and the videos, but more so face forward. When I use it like backwards, like for example using your back camera on your phones, I don't think the quality is as great as face forward. If you're thinking of getting this camera and you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below and I'll try to get to them as I use the camera more. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along, especially if you like real life mom content. Bye!